much is the order behind me?
4 even. Cool, thank you.
It's always good to pay it forward.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you.
Have a good day.
Caramel frappe with no whip. Shot of pumpkin. Fave. Maybe that'll get me in good with the millennials. So I was always wondering, let me roll the window up. So I was always wondering how people have done vlogs driving down the road. I always thought it was unsafe, and you know, you gotta have your hands. And well, I got this GoPro for Christmas, and I've figured it out that you don't have to have your hands, and you can still be safe and film. So that was pretty cool. Oh, I just got a brain freeze. Oh, brain freeze, brain freeze, brain freeze. I think brain freezes are more dangerous than driving and texting. Whew.
They knew not my name.
They knew not my name.
And I knew not their face.
Anyway, I digress. So, got the GoPro for Christmas. Just went to Best Buy and picked up a jaw clamp with a gooseneck. This thing is pretty freaking awesome. I think it's going to help out a lot when it comes to filming videos, because I can actually mount this over certain areas and be able to get some great, I think, B-roll footage with the camera. So I'm super excited about that. And just having the camera is just a new experience, because I'm not used to being able to do, you know, some of the little things that this will allow me to do. Get into tighter shots, get into some different B-roll areas, driving down the road, blogging to you guys, you know, just different things. So looking forward to it. Found they were all strangers to me. So happy to have this camera, and just thank you, son. I appreciate that. So I'm just wondering if this kind of vlogging, is it blogging or vlogging? Vlogging is video, so it's vlogging. If this kind of vlogging is something you're interested in, I guess I need to make sure I'm not on a bumpy road. So I don't know if it's jumping around, I can't see, but is this something that you're interested in, just to kind of see like a day in a life, or just what I'm doing one particular day, or what's around town, or I don't know, I'm just playing around with different things, trying to see what you like. It's interesting whenever I go on trips, you know, different places that you see. You know, some people may not get to get out and see those things. So I think sharing is a big help to other people, especially those that are perhaps disabled or not able to get out because whatever the financial need may be. But to be able to just share, you know, outright to people experiences, and I don't mean bragging, I'm talking about just sharing. You know, I don't mean to offend anyone by no means. I just want to, you know, share my experiences and hope that maybe it will inspire, give someone hope, whatever the case may be, bring joy to people, and I don't know, bring a community together. I think we have a pretty good community, I really do, with all the giving and with all of the goodwill and things that take place. I really do believe we have a good community. Are there a few bad apples? Sure, but listen, they get weeded out very quickly, and it's not going to spoil the bunch. So, you know, things happen, we move on. But we need to understand that, you know, we are one, we are a community, we are together. And yeah, I'm just happy to be a part of it. So thank you. Home in the mountain, good old Rocky Top, Tennessee, Rocky Top, Tennessee. So that was a pretty interesting ride. So just having fun with the new GoPro, just trying to figure it out, learning how it works and record, seeing if you even like the footage. Does the video come out clear? Does the volume come out clear? And again, it's just about video and helping create better content and hopefully give you better content. But also just kind of sharing what's going on within my little world here in Sterling's Woodcraft. So anybody wanting to know about the GoPro Hero 7 that I'm using now, I'll leave an affiliate link down below. That way you can click on that. It goes to Amazon, to the store, to be able to look at all the information about the camera, purchase it there if you want. That helps them. It also helps me out financially. So if anything you could do to help me, I greatly appreciate it. That'll help buy some wood, some saw blades, you know, anything to help out the shops. Sneak peek of my next video. Got something to do with a lathe. Something round. Something walnut. As always, thanks for watching. And always remember, be kind to one another.